All right, folks, today is a fantastic day. We have the new Sainlogic SC07 weather station, and we're going to be testing this out, but this is actually going to be going into my parents' greenhouse, and my mom wants a display, and then she wants to put the sensor in her greenhouse, so she doesn't know she's going to get this after I test this, but that's what is awesome about reviewing products. Just like all my videos, in the description box right below the video, top link will be this exact same weather station by Sainlogic, where you guys can read more about it and pick it up yourself after the video is done. You got your instruction manual, warranty information, power plug, and then again, this comes with one sensor, which you will need 2 AAA batteries for. And so there's your sensor there that you can hang it up with a little area right there, as we can see. Pop a little nail or screw in there. And then our nice large display here, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's remove that. And this does take backup batteries as well. You got 3 AAA batteries in the back right there. Does have a stand, so you can put it up like this here, but it will need power. We plug it into the side right here, and then you can also hang it up by some little hooks right here as well. Sainlogic makes excellent weather stations. The one I currently have right now outside, the weather station went through a terrible hailstorm and held up great and did fantastic and is still trekking today. And if you've never seen my other video about the Sainlogic weather station, this thing has held up great and I've used it quite a while now, especially out here in the country. I like to see how cold it is, and it's a chilly day today. It's only 5:30 p.m. and it's already 43 degrees. Anyway, let's go surprise Mom. Alrighty folks, a nice large screen here, and we're getting a little bit of a glare, but I'll try to block it with my hand as the sun is coming in the window behind me. But again, beautiful large screen. So I'll show you where the sensor is when we walk outside, but indoor, so this screen here is plugged in, and I do have 3 AAA batteries in the back. And of course you do have the little stand here as well. And if I didn't show that to you, it's a very thin device and it looks good as well. Put that in your office or on your kitchen table, etc. Okay, so as we can see here, indoor is 58 degrees in here. Humidity is 41%. And then coming over here to my mom's greenhouse, humidity is 23%, and it's actually 61.6 degrees inside of her greenhouse. The greenhouse is actually very warm because a greenhouse is supposed to be that way. Down here at the bottom, we just plugged it in, so history needs to build up down here. The barometer is at 29.94, and we have a little forecast right here. Again, color screen. Use your instruction manual, change the date and time, etc. up here. But I really like this, as it did just drop, I think 1 degree or maybe half a degree right here. Again, my weather station that I just showed you is a little bit more beefier than this, but this is exactly what my mom wants for her greenhouse, where she can be inside a warm house and not have to go all the way over to her greenhouse, which is right here, go inside and check the temperature, especially during wintertime, where it is about 42, 43 degrees outside right now. So let's go ahead and go over to the greenhouse. Now this is dropping because it is getting chillier as the sun starts to go down. A greenhouse will cool off a little bit as well. So let's take the dogs out. Let's go look where our sensor is. And again, the sensor is right inside the greenhouse here, which I'm gonna shut this behind me because, again, outside, it's literally probably 41 right now. Inside, I have the sensor right up here on the top shelf here. Not the top shelf, but about maybe 4 feet or so ballpark, maybe a little bit less than 4 feet. And as you can see here, it was freezing last night, but in my mom's greenhouse, it is beautiful. There's strawberries right there. Now, obviously, this greenhouse will lower in temperature as well, but it will hang on a lot longer than if these were outside. Then a lot of these would obviously start to deteriorate. But anyway, this is what the station is great for. Having your sensor in here, and of course you can mount this, and they probably will. See, this is what she was relying on before, which it's even out of batteries. She would have to come all the way out here, figure out what temperature it is, where my dad could like mount some little screw right here and hang that up for them. And as you can see here, the window we were peeking out of is way over here. That's at least 40 plus feet away from the station. So we're picking up plug and play. You got your sensor right here. Overall, a thumbs up in my book. Again, Sainlogic makes great devices and products. You'll enjoy them. Top link in the description box below will be this exact same temperature station. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button, it helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Not to mention this greenhouse being built. I have some foundation videos I made, my DIY house remodel, and more. Beautiful. Cold out there, but beautiful. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Top link, description box below. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.